Hello, Rory. I
Hi.
wanted to show you something new. These are called place value cards.
Oh,
What do you notice about them?
that they're in a row, but they're ones, twos, and threes, because the 100s, the tens, and the ones.
I love that you recognize that. What do you notice about the difference between 20 and 200? Can you put those back and find 20 and 200? Which one is 20? So what's the same about those two numbers?
It's because this time I could have done these two, because all of them are technically the same. But these ones are technically the same, but the same as these two, because there's one here and a one here. The only thing that is not correct is the 1 0 and the one. There's 2 zeros here and 1 0. So that's the only thing that they're not the same about.
Zeros are placeholders.
Uh-huh.
So the 200 tells us that there's 0 ones, 0 tens, but there's 2 hundreds. The 20, the purple one, tells us that there's 0 ones, but there's 2 tens. Now the great thing about place value cards is you can make numbers, can I borrow these? By putting them on top of each other. So I could make this number by putting the smallest one on top, and then the next smallest, and then the
221.
I love it. What's the biggest number that you can make with the place value cards?
The biggest number.
I love that you reached for the top. I bet you can make it bigger by putting something in the ones position. What could you put in there?
That's just not. Oh, there. 999.
Amazing. Now, with place value cards, you can see what that number is made up of. It is made up of a 900 plus 90 plus 9. Amazing. Can you make a different number for me? How many hundreds do you have?
888.
Amazing. So 888 is made up of what numbers?
What number?
If you spread that out.
No, 808, 80, and 8.
Amazing. Let's check if you're correct. 800 plus 80 plus 8 equals 888.